Hey y'all, it's Microns and Magic. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be sharing my March bullet journal setup with you today, and I'm so excited to get started. My March theme this month is going to be all things aquatic. So I open up with my month in review, and I did a quick doodle of some fish and squids just to open up the March page and really set the tone for the rest of the month. My next pages are dedicated to tracking, so tracking some photo shoot schedules and my activity. And last is my week in review. The tools I'm going to be using today are a series of different thicknesses of microns that I use for doodling, my Tombow calligraphy pen, which I'm newly obsessed with, and Faber-Castell artist pens, which I use just to do some filling in and marker work. They're great, they don't bleed through any of my pages, and I don't know what I would do without them. And last but not least, a stencil in some of this, just to really create clean lines when I'm making the letters. So here is my March in review page. I started off just doodling out these jellyfish with a pencil and then bringing in my stencil to create really clean letter forms so that March doesn't kind of get lost in all of the jellyfish galore. Like I was saying before, I like to bring in a really thin micron, a 005, I believe is what it is, to do my initial outlining, and then I go back and create some stronger lines, stronger shadows with a thicker micron, like a 0.5 or a 0.8, depending on what I'm drawing. Now that this is finished, I'm going to start my actual calendar month. As you can see, I'm flipping back to my February because I always forget how to set this up. If you're looking to create this exact calendar, I'm going to provide the dimensions I use in the caption box below, so check there. So this calendar provides me with boxes to add any events for March and a this month section, which is just a note section that I use in February to jot down any notes that I need to remember for the month of March. I'm trying a new tracker this month. I am an art director and I'm often on photo shoots or producing photo shoots with a team. I wanted to create a really quick tracker / calendar that would allow me to just easily look at it and see when I have a photo shoot happening. So I have laid out a long box which tells me the date and what day of the week it is, and I just do a quick highlight. I'm adding in koi fish doodles, added in with some water ripples around just to give the page a little bit of vibrance and interest since the calendar is so thin and small. The next page is an activity tracker. I'm really trying to work out more this month as we get closer and closer to summer, and I'm also going on a beach vacation, so more reasons to get proactive about activity. So I have just a really simple activity tracker. It's just a box basically that I'll just tally as I go for the rest of March, and a really fun goal section where I can set goals for myself. And last, I'm adding a stat section that just allows me to keep track of my weight, any inches or centimeters that I lose as I continue on my workout journey. My week in review is going to be a different kind of setup than what I had used in February. I thought I would just try something new, and I've seen a lot of different Bujo bloggers and YouTubers kind of using a similar setup. So I instead will have 6 boxes, not 7, for each day so that I can create a to-do list and a meeting section. I'm hoping this gives me a little bit more space to actually create to-do lists for myself during the work week, and I'm splitting up my weekend mostly because I don't have that many notes that go into the weekend, so I didn't feel like I needed as much space. I sort of stopped paying attention right around here and started filling in dates willy-nilly, and then realized, oh my gosh, I put in the wrong date. What do I do? Luckily, I had purchased the Tombow glue, having seen another bullet journaler use it, and thought maybe I'll just buy this just in case. So I decided to whip it out and try it. So I just cut a little bit out of a last page of my journal, glued it on, waited for the glue to dry, and hoped for the best. I filled it over with my pen, my artist pen, my Faber-Castell green artist pen, and I don't think you can really even tell with the final product. I think it still looks great. So I highly recommend this. I think it's magic or sorcery, one or the other. And here is my March 2018 bullet journal setup. So excited to share this time with you. Thanks for watching. As always, I hope to hear from you in the comment section. Have a great month. Bye, guys.